How to make great videos with your phone. Is it even possible that your video will be looking good on your social media and especially on YouTube if you record it on mobile? Let me give you a couple of tips that are connected to making videos with your phone at home. How are you doing? I'm very happy to see you again on my YouTube channel, and if you're actually a new person, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button. This way you'll be notified whenever the new video will be popping in the channel. Today we're gonna talk about making videos with your phone. The easiest thing you can do when you're starting your YouTube channel, your videos on social media. I record daily, I would say at least 10 to 12 videos plus. On the monthly basis, at least 2 days I spend in front of the camera recording videos for you for YouTube channel. In the end of the video, you will have a checklist that will help you create the amazing, wonderful, professionally looking videos for your YouTube channel and maybe other social media as well. Tip number 1, record your videos horizontally. When you do it in the portrait version, it's gonna look like this. I don't think you actually want those black stripes on your sides. There is of course an exception to the rule. When you are making Insta stories, Facebook stories, then definitely the portrait version of recording is much more, first of all, comfortable, and definitely your video will look much better because otherwise you're gonna get the stripes up and down. Tip number 2, use the natural light. If you don't have money to invest in special lighting or rent the special lighting, the light that you have actually outside of your windows is probably one of the best things you can use. Okay, that makes it more difficult because you have to record during the day and try not to do it on the day when the clouds are moving very fast in front of the sun, because you're gonna be like, bright, dark, bright, dark, bright, dark, and that's again something you want for sure to avoid in your videos. Tip number 3 is also connected with the light. Make sure that the light is in front of you, because if it's gonna be behind you, you're gonna look slightly creepy like this. Not many people would like to watch. It looks a bit creepy, like from the criminal stories, and the person just doesn't want to show their face. As much as I like the look out of my window, I'm not sure if you're gonna be focused on what I'm saying if you just see my dark face and everything that's happening behind the window. Make sure your window is either in front of you or the side of you, and then move slightly so your lovely face will be nicely in the light. Tip number 4, make sure you position yourself properly in the video in the boxes. You should probably be fitting somewhere either on one side or in the middle. Try not to keep like me right now. Okay, coming back to the right position. I'm slightly on the side, so in case I would like to, I can pop in some stuff on my side or simply just talk to you like this. Tip number 5 is a very crucial one, and if you are a guy watching this video, I'm sorry, this tip is also for you. Wear makeup. I'm not saying you have to invite a makeup artist, they cost a lot, or do the full makeup and spend an hour in front of the mirror in the toilet. No, but definitely use a bit of powder. This way you're gonna be avoiding the shininess on the video and your face will be looking nicely. Number 6, super important. Stabilize your picture. I'm not sure how you're gonna feel about this, but it's slightly wobbly, and this way, watching something that has 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't think you're gonna manage to watch it all. You can of course invest money in a tripod that's a big guy that's gonna be holding well your phone at the beginning and in the future when you're gonna have a better camera. If you don't want to do that, you can either invest a little money for the guy like this. If you don't want to invest anything, that's also not a problem. You can simply put your mobile on a stable place like this or like this. This way, totally free of charge, you can stabilize your picture and make the videos that look very, very professionally. Before giving you my last tip, if you like this video so far, don't forget to click the like button and in the comment below Leave me your experience with video making so far. I would also like to see there a link to your videos that I could comment on as well in return for your lovely like. Okay, diving into the last tip. Last tip is not connected with things that are visual. Last tip is connected with things that you can hear. If you want to invest in something when recording with your mobile, that would be the microphone. It is much more important to be well heard than to be well seen. Of course, combining the two, it's a perfection and professionalism. Invest in the little lapel mic or any other type of microphone that is of your choosing. I'm using the little lapel Rode microphone, which is great for both, for the mobile and also for my camera. I can leave you actually the link below so you will be able to see what kind of things and what kind of devices I've used for recording this video. Thank you so much for staying with me that long, and I hope you already subscribed and hit the bell button, and we're gonna see each other next week, next Thursday. And next week I'm gonna talk about how to leverage your business with public speaking.